Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Brown color, black color, lime color, green color, grey color, violet color, purple color, olive color, yellow color, red color, dark blue color, pink color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for X. B for butterfly. C for car. D for dog. E for eggplant. F for frog. G for gun. H for hen. I for ink. J for jellyfish. K for kingfisher. L for lotus. M for moon. N for nurse. O for oxygen. P for princess. Q for quilt. R for rose. S for strawberry. T for teacher. U for uniform. V for vanilla. W for water. X for Xerox. Y for yogurt. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.